Unlock the power of Amazon FBA by mastering the art of sending your inventory to their fulfillment centers, ensuring your products are ready to sell faster and more efficiently. The first crucial step is creating a shipping plan within your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to Inventory, then Manage Inventory, and select the product you want to send. Choose Send Replenish Inventory to begin here. You'll specify the quantity of units you're shipping and whether they are individual products or case-backed products. For individual products, you'll need to confirm the product's condition. For case-backed, confirm that all units within each case have the same SKU and are identical. Next, Amazon will determine if your inventory needs to be sent to one or multiple fulfillment centers. Decide whether you'll be preparing your own shipments or using Amazon's prep service. Now, let's talk packaging. Each item needs to be securely packaged to prevent damage during transit. For individual units, ensure they are protected with appropriate materials like bubble wrap or poly bags, especially if they are fragile or could be damaged by moisture if your product requires it. Poly bagging needs to be secured with tape or a suffocation warning label if the opening is large enough. Remember, all items sent to Amazon must have a barcode. If your product doesn't have a manufacturer's barcode, you'll need to apply an Amazon Issued FBA label, also known as an FNSKU. Labeling is paramount for individual products that don't have manufacturer barcodes. You must apply the FNSKU barcode directly onto the product itself. Covering any existing barcodes for case-backed products, you'll need to apply a clear barcode label to the outside of each case. Clearly visible, Amazon will provide you with the exact shipping labels needed for transit, including the FBA shipment ID label. Print these labels and affix them securely to your boxes, ensuring they are not on a seam and are easily scannable. Each box in your shipment requires its own unique shipping label. Finally, it's time to ship. Once your labels are applied and your plan is complete, Amazon will offer you shipping options. You can choose to use Amazon's partnered carrier program, which often provides discounted rates with carriers like UPS. Or you can select your own preferred shipping carrier. If you're shipping a large volume, consider less than truckload or LTL freight shipping for larger palletized shipments. Once your packages are picked up or dropped off with your chosen carrier, track their progress through Seller Central, and you'll be notified when they arrive at the Amazon Fulfillment Center, ready to be sold to eager customers.